Well, here we are at everybody's favorite T-X2s. Let us begin. Oh, come on. Did you see this, people?
Not that one.
Oh, got it. Come on, I hope it still has the old paper. Oh, they switched it. Oh no, it's still the old paper. Well, that sounds lovely. Let's try these in this machine. Nope, doesn't recognize them. We're going to use this machine today. Are you serious? There it goes. There it goes. Those are going separate. Wow, come on. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna get this receipt. Ooh, 3 more. Alright, this receipt's being cashed in. This one is for my own use. Come on, you piece of shit. Thank you. Piece of shit. Okay, I'm keeping that receipt. And now I have to use school Sam's Club bottles. Alright, so... Ooh, Pellegrino. Let's see the retarded machine work. Ooh, I got 5 cents. Jesus, just dropped the thing. Okay, that was just interesting. Okay, hold on a second here. Oh, there's a barcode on the thing. Oh, that's why it's not taking it. So we're going to throw this out. Canada Dry, it should take that. Let me try the both machines. Yeah, that machine didn't take it. Let's try this one. Sometimes it takes things the other one doesn't. Nope. Doesn't come down. But hang on, I'm going to bring these in because we can cache these. I would bring them to wall bounce if I didn't have to walk around the mall, but... yeah, that's nice. There's the label on the back of the machine for the old Tomra logo. This is the ADA compliant machine. Walmart was smart, except for this one. This one ain't ADA compliant. Oh! Oh yeah, this is the school's receipt. I'm holding that. Alright, that covers it.